Hey guys, and welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my diamonds today, my faux diamonds. So, we're going to be talking about diamond painting. I wanted to kick off my diamond painting diaries series to just show you what I'm working on. And this series will be ongoing as I try new diamond painting kits and figure out new tips and tricks and just kind of take you guys along with me on my diamond painting journey. I've been having a great time. Today, I've been working on coasters that I purchased from Dollar Tree just recently. I was in another city and this particular Dollar Tree had just stocked up on all of the diamond painting coasters. So I got really lucky. I got one of each design and I also found another keychain. So I just wanted to show you me working on them and how I've been kitting them up. Even though they're small, they're still very intricate. This is one of them that I finished. The intricate pattern kind of slowed me down. These coasters have been taking me like an hour and a half for each, just because um, there's a lot of curves and some of these drills are very, very close to each other, which sometimes makes it difficult for placement. I have been rolling the brayer over each of them, one of my favorite tools now, and I've been using my Hobby Lobby glue to seal them. So some of these are still drying, but for each coaster that I've done, I was kitting them up, kitting the colors up using these pill cases, also from Dollar Tree. So this particular Dollar Tree had just stocked up on the coasters and the pill cases that I like for kitting up small kits. So you guys know I'm big on traveling with the diamond painting, and so I basically took the colors out. It's only about 5 or 6 colors in each kit, which is great for using these Dollar Tree pill boxes, which have 8. But I did want to point out that I these are a little flimsy sometimes. So like I broke this one off. The Dollar Tree ones are a little flimsy. I prefer the Hobby Lobby ones for 99 cents, but they only come with 5. And usually there's like 6 colors normally for the smaller diamond paintings. This is the keychain that I did, and I'm going to be attaching this to my diamond painting keychain that I've built up. But these from Hobby Lobby are 99 cents, and then the cases from Dollar Tree are $1.25. I have been using my sticker labels from Ollie's. This pack has 300 labels and it was 99 cents. I'm using these because for some reason my permanent marker was rubbing off on the pill case. Even my Sharpie was rubbing off for some reason. I don't know why it was rubbing off the plastic. That was kind of weird. Um, so I have one more coaster to do, and that'll be 6 coasters. I just wanted to show you what the packaging looked like. Okay. And then I also wanted to point out that like this one says 4 gem packets. The numbering in the description has been wrong on the back of these packets. This has 6 colors, so there's going to be 6 gem packets. The numbering was wrong on most of these, but these were only $1.25, so you get what you pay for. I also wanted to say that the drills on these were very nice. I didn't have a lot of trash drills, but the stickiness was maybe not the best sometimes. A lot of these slid while I was putting them on, which is great. Which is why I wanted to seal these with the Hobby Lobby glue afterwards to make sure that everything stayed in place. But you will have some sliding, and some of the drills are very close together, which can make it very hard to do your placement. But basically all I do is I take the drill packets, and I've been saving these. I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet because I have so many bows and styluses now. I've been keeping those in the packages. I don't know what I'm going to do with all the leftovers yet, but I basically take it out of the packet. And if you haven't seen one of the coasters, they look like this, and they're already ready to go to be coasters once you finish them. Then you have the film, and I keep the film until I finish it, just in case I need to put it back over. And then I take the drills out and I put them in the pill case. Okay. And the drills are numbered just 1 through 6. So all I have to do is use numbers 1 through 6 on the pill case. And then I've been using um, this tray as like my funnel for this, because when I open this bag and pour the gems out, sometimes they go everywhere. But if I pour them in the tray and then pour them in here, it's a lot better than trying to pour them directly in here. So that's my tip that I've learned. Might have already been a tip that someone said. The keychains look like this. When you get them, the packaging looks like this. It doesn't tell you what kind of animal it is. It'll say diamond painting keychain. This is a monkey with a banana. And it comes with, I'm assuming it's a monkey with a banana. And then it comes with a set of instructions. So that's really nice. But I'm just going to show you a little bit of me kitting this up and completing this. And then I'll show you all of my coasters and keychains when I'm done. And I've just really been enjoying this. This is really soothing to the mind. I'm looking to see if I want to show you guys anything else. Oh, I have been using my light. I showed this in another video of mine, my Amazon rechargeable light. This brand is HUD. I will have to put this in my Amazon store. But I really love having a light like right over my drill so that I can see better. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show. I do have little baby funnels I could have been using to pour the drills in here, but it's really just easier to pour them in here and then just pour them out. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the coasters, and thanks for joining me. Continue to follow me along on this diamond painting diaries journey. Would I recommend these? Absolutely, I would recommend these coasters because they were only $1.25, and you know, it is an actual coaster. That's the back. And if you can find these, they're definitely worth it. Look how beautiful that is in the sunlight. And these are going to go downstairs to be used as coasters for me in my kitchen, unless I kind of stow them away with my other stuff that I'm working on right now. But I do need some more coasters downstairs. So I love how tropical and exotic these look. So they're all different shapes. So I would definitely say if you can find them, yes. But um, it's been hard to find the diamond painting kits in Dollar Tree. Now that I've started diamond painting, I saw older videos of people finding a lot of these other kits in Dollar Tree during that time where there was just a lot of diamond painting kits. I'm not seeing that as much anymore. So I don't know if we're going to continue to see diamond painting kits or keychains, but I'm hoping so because it's a steal for $1.25. It comes with the whole kit, the wax, the boat, and the gems. So very much worth it. If you're a beginner like me, this is where you should start, in my opinion, because it's quick, low stress, low commitment, and each kit came by itself, so you don't have to get all the coasters. You can just get one coaster and try it. So so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and kit this other one up and try to finish all these, call it a finished project. So let me know if you enjoy the kitting up process. I have actually been learning to enjoy kitting up these little small projects. These are small projects. A lot of people may not have, kit these up, but because I'm kind of just zoning out and listening to music, it's taking me, excuse my hair, it's taking me not a long time, but I just like to have this. And then I'm going to save all these drills. I don't know what I'm going to do with, no, I do know what I'm going to do with my drills. I'm going to put them in another storage organization system, but I'm going to keep these and stow them away for now. I love these labels. These have come in handy. I'm going to need to get some more of these next time I go into Ollie's. So I love that all my supplies are coming in handy, and I just stick them on the pill case so that I know what I'm working with. And they stick perfectly on here. And then when I'm done, I'll stow these away. I'm going to do a video at some point showing how, or organizing all my leftover drills, because that's going to be a project in itself, is storing these leftover drills. Let me know how you store your leftover drills in the comments. Do you just use one of those big organization systems and put the drills away? That's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. It's a lot of static. I don't know if it's my gloves, probably my gloves, maybe. But I wasn't used to dealing with dealing with as much static as I saw this time. Oh my God. Anyway, I also wanted to mention that I've been using this Amazon stylus that I purchased with the different tips. And I used the wax that it came with. I've just been using that purple wax that this kit came with. This kit came with all these different tips, all these different multi-placers and wax. And I've been loving this tip as the single placer because I don't have to like push down this way. It just automatically, it's more ergonomical for you, for your hand. And then this is like my favorite attachment here to basically align the drills in place, like scoot these, fix them when they're out of line, scoot them back in place. I love, this is probably my favorite tip out of all the tips. So I would definitely say that I do really like this stylus from Amazon. I kind of want a thicker one. I'm going to see if Amazon has some thicker ones with the attachments. Instead of, I could go on sites like Diamond Art Club or whatever to purchase, but Amazon was just priced better because everything came together. So, and they have different colors of this one. So I would highly recommend that stylus. So I just pour these in here. And you see how, I don't want to say annoying, but this can be a little tedious if you don't enjoy it. I enjoy it for the most part, but like when I have static with the drills or they're popping off everywhere like they are now, that does get annoying. And then I just pour them in here. So I'm going to do that for the rest of these colors. Another question I have is, what are y'all using for back support? I have a pillow right now that I'm using, but y'all, my back, like, I'm having to sit different ways when I do this, depending on how close I'm trying to see something. And I'm getting weary because I've actually been working on these coasters all day today. This has been the only thing I've been working on. And I just want to know, I forgot to take the film off, y'all. This is how tired I am. I want to know what back support are y'all using in your chairs? Do you guys get a special back support for this? Because we definitely need some. I probably need to buy a specific type of back harness. I had tried one from Ollie's one time and it didn't work out the way I wanted it to work out. I always try to, well, when I'm doing these, sometimes I start with the least amount color first, the drill with the least amount on there. But sometimes I start with the drill color that has the most drills. And I really love this tip that bends. The only thing I don't like about this pen is my hands are small, so I'm gripping this pretty tight like a pencil. But I kind of want a thicker one that's metal, that I can put the metal attachments on. I can get the metal attachments from Diamond Art Club and just use the twist and pick that theirs come with, but you have to buy those like attachments individually, I think, on Diamond Art Club. Like with these coasters, these colors kind of skip around. So that's the other thing that's kind of annoying and that slows me down, is the colors stick around. I'm kind of just sticking everywhere because I'm trying to stick and talk right now. But you guys get the point. That's how this pretty much works. And I like my wider trays. So I'm going to finish this and then show you guys all of the completed coasters and keychain that I've done. Okay, guys, it's the next day and I finally finished the last coaster. And this is how it turned out. It's very pretty. So these are all of my projects this go around. I did whip out my anti-slip pad from Paint Gym just to test it out. This came with 2 in a pack. And I used it to hold the tray, to put the tray on. But then I noticed I didn't really like that because every time I noticed putting the tray on the adhesive pad made me notice how much I actually lift the tray to reshake sometimes. So I didn't really like putting the adhesive pad on it, but I did like putting this on it, as you can see, so like I wouldn't tip it over. Even though these are closed, sometimes I've had mistakes with tipping over gems. It's also good to put down this, your actual canvas, on the anti-slip grip, but I didn't use it for that because I liked turning the coaster as I was completing the drills. So that's just another, note I have about this project. So these are all the coasters. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coasters and 1 keychain. I wanted to show you my other keychains that I have going so far. The little monkey's going to go on this huge keychain dangle. Some of these are keychains, some of these are diamond paintings, and some of these are other keychains. Like, these are just other keychains that sparkle, but these are my diamond paintings from Hobby Lobby. My little angel diamond painting, my turtle, my other Dollar Tree ones. I put my ornaments on here, so it's looking real good. It's looking real chunky. And this pouch is a Diamond Dots pouch, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my little monkey to this, and I'm gonna keep collecting my keychains. But that's my paint with me for today, the projects that I've been able to finish. And I'm gonna keep trucking and working through all the stash of diamond paintings I've been buying, because I've truly been enjoying them. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some bananas in the comments, since the monkey's eating a banana. And I will see you guys real soon. Bye.